In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wix in 2025. Whether you're building your first website or looking to refine your web presence, Wix is a versatile platform that can help you create a stunning site with ease. Let's dive into getting started and making the most of Wix. First, head over to Wix's website by entering the URL into your browser's address bar. Once you're there, if you already have an account, you'll want to log in. If you're new to Wix, creating an account is straightforward. Simply follow the prompts to sign up, and within moments, you'll be part of the Wix community. Having a registered account lets you save your work as you go and provides access to various features that will enhance your website building experience. Next, it's time to choose your preferred creation method. Wix offers a few different options here, so take a moment to consider what suits your needs best. You can start from scratch if you want complete control over every detail, or you can use Wix's sophisticated artificial design intelligence, known as Wix ADI, to streamline the process. This tool can generate a personalized website for you within minutes, asking you a few questions to tailor the design to your needs. Once you've decided on your creation method, you should select from a wide array of modern, stylish templates available in Wix's library. These templates are professionally designed and fully customizable, or as mentioned, let Wix ADI create a template based on your preferences. Whether you choose a pre-made template or have one generated for you, you'll have a solid foundation to work from, and all elements can be refined to match your brand's aesthetic. After picking a template or getting a generated design, it's time to truly make the website your own. Use the design and customization tools available in Wix to adjust colors, fonts, images, and content. With these tools, you can ensure that your website reflects your unique style and message clearly. The Wix editor allows for easy customization through a simple drag-and-drop interface. You can drag various elements onto your web page, such as text boxes, images, and buttons, and place them exactly where you want them. This hands-on approach makes building your site both enjoyable and rewarding. To bolster your website's functionality, explore the Wix app market. Here, you can find a plethora of apps and integrations that can enhance your site's performance, like adding e-commerce capabilities, booking systems, or contact forms. These apps are designed to seamlessly plug into your site and provide you with additional resources to meet your needs. Finally, consider upgrading your plan if you want to access premium features like removing Wix ads, connecting a custom domain, and unlocking more storage and bandwidth. Upgrading ensures that your site not only looks professional, but also operates smoothly and efficiently. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to crafting an impressive Wix website that meets your needs and exceeds your expectations. Enjoy creating and sharing your digital presence with the world using Wix in 2025.